Cops are sworn in to protect common citizens and are trained for duty. But what happens when the authority meant to enforce order becomes the source of chaos? Here are 4 times when idiot police officers arrested soldiers.
You fucking hit me.
There's no damage between our vehicles, though.
I don't give a fuck, bro. You fucking hit me.
Get out. Get out.
Okay.
Get out the car.
Okay.
Get out the car.
I'm getting out.
There's no need for that.
Why are you doing that?
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct, sir.
This incident involves Officer Ryan Wingo, who, on May 10th, 2019, was conducting his regular patrol along Malvern Road in Garland, Arkansas. During his patrol, Officer Wingo noticed a red car driven by disabled veteran Charles Donner, allegedly speeding and honking at him. Responding to this, Officer Wingo initiated a pursuit of the vehicle. The chase took a sudden turn when Charles abruptly slammed on his brakes, pulling over to the side of the road. Officer Wingo, caught off guard, failed to apply his brakes in time, resulting in a minor collision where his police cruiser bumped into the rear of Charles's car. This sequence of events set the stage for the unfolding confrontation, with the officer now needing to address the traffic stop and the unexpected collision that had just occurred. Here is what transpired following this initial encounter.
Parking lot. Pull it to the parking lot. 60 Hot Springs. Go ahead and send one of the normal units over here to the shoe factory. I had a car slam on the brakes in front of me.
Both parties then pulled over in a nearby parking lot where a strange arrest is about to unfold.
License, registration, insurance, sir.
Yeah, sure. Why are you pulling me over?
Because you're following me too closely and nearly ran into me.
No, I did not. You slammed on your brakes. You had no brake. You had no turn signal or nothing.
I had to turn around on the car without speeding. I'm doing my job out here, sir. Give me your license.
You hit me. Don't worry.
Yes.
Don't worry. I'll see you in court, dude.
I had a car following me too closely, nearly ran into me, turned around, got behind it, and it slammed on the brakes in front of me. I was unable to stop. I was 1038 between my own and his view. No damage.
Is your sergeant out here too? Take it out and look at my car.
Hey, take a seat in the car for right now. We're on a traffic stop right now.
Hey,
Okay.
You hit my fucking car.
We're on a traffic stop right
Sergeant
now.
out here.
I want to see the damage done to my
Give me a minute. We're on a traffic stop right now. Once I get done with my traffic stop, for following too
I
closely.
was not following too close. Clearly you were. You hit me.
You stopped in the middle of a roadway, sir.
No, you
I didn't
slammed
stop.
on your brakes.
I got over and I was in the lane.
You
trying
stopped
to
in the
speed
lane.
back up. No, I was
you
trying to
came through
speed
the-
back up.
Okay,
and you
sir.
slammed on your gas.
Okay.
And you hit us.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Well, I told you why I stopped you, because you were following me too closely.
but I wasn't. But
Okay.
We'll see in court.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you, ma'am?
I sure do.
You don't need your ID.
Yes, I do, actually, for the accident report that you so want, sir.
Yes.
I do want it.
Okay.
You fucking hit me.
There's no damage between our vehicles, though.
I don't give
Well,
a bro. You fucking hit me.
Get out the car. Get out.
Okay.
Get out the car.
Okay.
Get out the car.
I'm getting out.
There's no need for that.
Why are you doing that?
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct, sir.
Ooh. Hey, call your dad.
There's no need for that. There's no need for cussing. There's no need to
Your
cuss.
sergeant.
Stand up. Stand up.
I'm trying. Okay.
Come on. Take a seat until you can calm down.
Okay.
Why are you doing this?
Ma'am, there was no need for cussing me out. Until he can calm down and act like an adult, he's going to sit in the back of the car.
Let me explain to you. My
Will
husband
you-
has severe PTSD. Severe. He's a 100% disabled veteran. And he is fucking, that's why I'm
You
here.
gonna talk to me? You gonna let me talk, or you just gonna interrupt me the entire time, ma'am?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Until he can calm down and act like a human being and stop cussing me out for no reason. So I'm trying to explain to him what happened. But he doesn't want to let me talk, okay? So do you want to let me talk or not?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay.
The supervising officer soon arrived at the scene and immediately ordered the release of Charles. Despite this, Charles received citations for following the police vehicle too closely and for stopping his vehicle on a highway. These citations were issued even though the initial traffic stop had been initiated by Officer Wingo. The supervising officer's involvement highlighted the complexities of the situation, where procedural adherence had to be balanced with the specifics of the incident. Charles, although freed, still faced legal repercussions from the encounter.
You hit me. I was trying. I'm turning around to pull you over, and you hit me. Just kept on escalating, and you just started cussing me out. I'm not going to deal with this. I'm going to have to calm down. Put the handcuffs, put them back in the car.
So safety, you really ain't got it under arrest.
Yes, sir. Just have to take him.
Take the cuffs off. Unless you feel like you need to take him in.
I mean, he just wanted to start cussing me out, and I told him I'm not going to deal with that, so I pulled him out.
You going up?
Yes, sir. Easier.
This incident exacerbated Charles's condition, causing him additional distress. At the time, he opted to pay his fines in order to move forward. However, both Charles and Brittany later decided to pursue civil action against Officer Ryan for what they perceived as corrupt practices. The current status of this case remains undisclosed. If you found this arrest to be highly unjust, stay tuned to see the actions of an officer in D-Land, which will further highlight questionable law enforcement behavior.
I understand why you're doing this, why you're pushing me
Because I don't
around.
like people testing me. I don't like people
I don't
not
like
following my orders.
Nazis either. Okay.
This incident involves Officer Johan Milo of the DeLand Police Department, whose career dramatically declined on September 14, 2017. At approximately 7:35 p.m. that evening, Officer Mello and his trainee, Paul Turner, responded to reports of a disturbance at the intersection of Orange and New York Avenues. Witnesses reported that someone was yelling at passing vehicles and pedestrians. The individual causing the disturbance was identified as Alan Kidd, a 67-year-old military veteran. What follows is an account of the events that transpired.
Get over here for a minute.
Oh, I didn't know we were.
You don't see the power lines?
I didn't even look up.
Okay, well, maybe
know
you should
to
pay
see.
attention.
Okay.
Have a seat over there. Get away from me. Sit over there.
You're pushing me away from you?
Yeah, I don't need you stepping up to me like that. Sit down.
Stepping up to you?
Sit down, or I'm gonna sit you down.
I wasn't stepping up to you, sir.
Sit
Okay.
down. Sit down. Do you understand that? When I
Yeah.
tell you to do something, you do it.
Yeah, is that right?
Okay.
You're on a power trip? Is that what it is?
No,
Okay.
I need you to listen. That's what's up. Who are you?
I was just on the street and me and we were just talking.
Okay.
I saw that he was distraught and I was just trying to help him.
Okay, I appreciate your help.
That's true.
Do you live around here?
Yeah, just next street.
Okay. Well, I appreciate it, sir. You're good to go.
I was just trying to help him.
Okay.
I saw that he was distraught.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
All right, man. Okay, God bless. Okay?
I hope the best.
Yes, sir. Okay?
What's your name, man?
My name's Alan.
Alan what?
Kid.
Kid.
Yes, sir.
Are you homeless?
No, sir, I am not homeless, okay?
So what's going on with you today?
Nothing. I'm just standing on the street corner talking to this guy I just met, and all of a sudden you're pushing me down and being real physical with
Yeah,
me.
you know
And
why?
I don't understand. No, I
Okay.
don't know why.
Lower
okay?
your voice. Lower your voice.
Really? Do I
okay?
have to do this?
Yes,
to
I'm
command
telling you
me?
the voice.
Okay.
Listen to me.
Because
I'm going to
you got
tell
a
you one
tin
more time.
badge on?
I'm
Is
going to
that
tell you
what it
one more
is?
time, and you're going to go to jail.
Is that right?
Lower your voice, or you're going to
Listen to
jail.
this guy, okay? Do you believe in this?
Lower your voice, or you're going to jail.
I'm not.
Oh,
I'm
you're
not
going to go to
increasing my
jail.
base.
So listen, we are going to start over again, so you can learn. Go ahead and keep moving forward. I'm going to lay you out on the
I'm
ground.
just trying to get more comfortable, okay?
You are going to calm down, and we're going to have a normal conversation,
you even
and you're
stop
going to
here?
understand why I'm here.
Okay,
if you
tell me.
shut up and listen for a minute, you
Tell
will
me.
understand.
I'm ready.
We were called here because you were here supposedly yelling at the cars and causing a scene.
Negative.
Okay, are you
that-
going to stop talking so
that
I
is
can explain to you?
negative, okay?
You're about to go to
I
jail.
wasn't yelling at
You're
any cars,
about
okay?
to go to jail. That is the last time that I tell you. Next time you're going to have handcuffs on you and you're going to jail. We were called here based on what's going on. Whether it's true or not, it is not, I have no clue. That's why I'm here, to figure out what's going on with you. When you walk up to an officer and you get that close to an officer, it is not good. Why? Because now you're in my personal space. So I am telling you to back up, and when you don't back up,
for you,
yes, when I give you an order, right? Because when I give you an order,
because you're on a power trip, because
when I give you an order,
badge. Is that right?
Because when I give you an order and you don't follow it, that's what happens. I told you to back up and you didn't. I told you back up again, or I'm going to sit you down, and you didn't. So I sat you down. That's how it works. Do you understand that? Yes. So what's going on with you that you're yelling at cars or whatever? Where are you yelling at cars?
No, sir.
Okay.
Absolutely
where do you live?
Not.
Where do you live?
I live in DeLand, North DeLand.
Okay. No, where in North DeLand?
I'm on my way home. Okay.
Okay. Were you having some kind of issue? Did you need some assistance?
Absolutely not. This guy was just trying to help me and be a good Christian.
Help you on what way? In what way? What do you need help with?
A spiritual way. Okay.
Okay. Do you live with somebody?
No,
Do you have ID on you?
Huh?
Do you have ID on you, sir?
Yes, sir. I sure do.
This is the pivotal moment when Officer Mello loses his composure, triggered by veteran Alan Kidd questioning why Officer Mello was behaving so disrespectfully and physically pushing him around.
I don't understand why you're doing this. Why you're pushing me
Because
around.
I don't like people testing me. I don't like people not following my orders.
Nazis either. Okay. Are you done? Can I show you my ID?
Give me the arm. Give me your arm.
Can I show you my ID?
Hold on, let's get his backpack off.
All right, stand up, man.
Can I have my ID back,
Be quiet.
please?
Spread your feet.
I don't understand what I've done wrong, okay?
Have a seat.
Officer Mel employed excessive force during Mr. Kidd's arrest and detained him under the custody of the DeLand Police Department. Kidd subsequently served a 2-day sentence for resisting an officer without violence. Mulero's employment was terminated a year later after body camera footage surfaced, revealing that the arrest lacked probable cause and was unjustified under the law. The police chief acknowledged that Mulero had undergone mandatory de-escalation training meant for all officers, but had failed to implement those skills effectively. If you find this instance of injustice by a corrupt officer appalling, wait until you hear about the unlawful arrest of a former soldier who honorably served his country. On October 13, 2021, Joshua Rohrer, a disabled veteran who proudly served in the Army National Guard during his deployment in Iraq, was discovered standing on the street with his loyal companion, Sunshine Ray. Officer Maurice Taylor, representing the Gastonia Police Department, approached him, instructing him to vacate the area and clear the intersection. Following a prolonged dispute, Joshua eventually acquiesced and temporarily relocated. According to Joshua, he frequently stood at that particular intersection because local residents were sympathetic to his circumstances, often contributing money and essential supplies. However, despite his compliance, Joshua was later found at the same spot, prompting Officer Sierra Brooks to summon Maurice once again to the scene. Subsequently, Maurice and Joshua found themselves embroiled in yet another verbal altercation, setting the stage for what would soon escalate into a violent confrontation.
I told you to move from over here. Hey, boy.
You told me what?
I told you that you had to move, man.
I did move.
No, you can't panhandle over here, man.
I'm not panhandling.
But when I saw you, you were, and you're still.
No, I'm not panhandling.
You're still here in the middle. Okay,
I don't have a sign or anything.
Well, you did when I saw you initially.
No, you didn't.
Okay?
No, you didn't. I've never had a sign. I haven't had a sign for
You're
money.
asking people for money, brother.
I'm not asking anybody for money.
You were.
No, I'm not.
You cannot
find anybody.
Oh, okay,
that says
okay.
that.
Listen, the fact still remains. You cannot stand here in the middle of the this intersection right here. Okay.
Where's the law that says that I can't stand here?
There are many laws. No. Well, all right. Now I can literally.
I didn't ask her for it.
You cannot stand in the middle of this area. Okay. You need to go.
Where's the statute that says that I cannot?
Okay,
stand here?
I'll show you. But as of right now, if you don't move right now, I'm gonna take you to jail. Okay?
For what? I'm
gonna tell you.
I'm a homeless person. I'm homeless.
You cannot stand. You cannot stand in the middle of this intersection.
But there's no law that says I can't stand here.
There
I'm not
is.
asking for
This
money.
is not a sidewalk, sir. This is not a sidewalk. This is a median for vehicular.
Under the regulations outlined in the Gastonia City Code, it is expressly prohibited to actively solicit or receive donations of goods or money from individuals in vehicles along city streets or medians. Officer Maurice Taylor made it clear to Joshua Rohrer that his presence in the road was in direct violation of these statutes. This legal provision underscores the city's stance on such activities, emphasizing safety concerns and maintaining order within public spaces. Officer Taylor reiterated this position to Joshua during their encounter, emphasizing the importance of compliance with local ordinances to ensure public safety and orderly traffic flow.
You can't drive on that.
You are out in the road. I'm telling you right now.
Okay, if you can show me something that says that I cannot stand there.
I'm letting you know right now. This is not a sidewalk. This is the road. This is the road. You cannot be out in the road. You need to be out on a sidewalk. You cannot stand here. You cannot set up camp here. You have been here since the last time I told you to move off of here. If you want me to show you a statue, cool. But I'm going to show you a statue taking you to jail.
You can't take me to jail just for standing here, man. Like,
I don't have to show you a statue. You can look that up on your own. You can go to the police department if you feel like your rights are being violated. But you are in the road.
Upon learning that Rohrer is a military veteran, Officer Taylor's demeanor undergoes a notable shift towards a tone that is condescending and demeaning.
Oh yes, I'm a veteran. I know how to
are. You're a veteran?
I know, yes.
You should be ashamed of yourself,
Okay,
man.
get off of the sidewalk. I'm gonna also need your ID. Collect your things and I'm also need your ID. Next time I see you out here, brother, I'm going to either write you. I'm either write you a ticket. No, I'm either write you a ticket or you're going to go to jail. I'm just letting you know what's going to happen. Because you're here panhandling. That's what you're doing, brother.
That bothers me, man.
Well, you need to move off to the side, brother. Listen,
I packed up like you told me
I just want you to know you can go to jail for this ordinance. If you continue to argue with officers, you're going to go to jail, and we are going to call animal control for your dog. You got it? Okay. But so no.
If I
you cannot be here.
That's fine. I told her I was leaving.
And I interpreted you asking for money because you're and you walk out to the car.
Dude, you saw it. I was standing here talking to him yesterday.
Right now. You don't give me you go to jail and call an animal control dog.
For what? You're writing me a ticket for a crime.
Can we get your ID? Can we get your ID?
Dude, I didn't commit this crime.
But you're also in the median after I've told you not to be here before. Have I not said that?
And that's why I was vacating, because she asked me to leave. And I was literally walking up here. I didn't ask anybody for money.
Okay.
That's right. I'm taking this to trial.
You can.
That's fine. You can.
It's going to go to trial anyway. You don't even have to ask.
Oh, it's going to trial.
Oh, I know.
You're wasting taxpayer dollars.
Okay.
Well,
I pay my taxes too.
There you go.
No, your state ID, not your VA ID.
This isn't valid. It's not valid.
I need your state ID, not your VA ID. I'm going to ask you one more time.
It's not even valid.
Give me your state ID. All right, turn around. You're being arrested.
Whoa, what for, dude?
Turn around.
Are you kidding me?
Turn around.
You don't see this?
Turn around.
Somebody help me!
Turn around.
Hey, what are you doing?
Stop.
What are you doing?
Sir.
Mama! What are you doing?
Call your dog off. 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 Sir, call your dog off. Call your dog off. He just bit me. He bit me. Call your dog off. To Charlie. Call your dog off. Call your dog off. Call your dog off. Call your dog off. We need. To Charlie 10 City. We need more units. We need more units.
Hey! Stop! What are you doing, man? Somebody help me! Record!
Turn around.
Record this!
Turn around, sir.
Help me!
Turn around.
Help!
Turn around.
Why are you doing this?
To Charlie 10 City, taser deployed on the dog.
Why are you doing this?
Charlie and Tim was bit by the dog.
It bit my foot, and I knew it was going to bite you, so.
How are you feeling? Is it about the dog?
10-4, it didn't break my boot, but it bit my boot.
The officer deployed his taser against the dog, citing that it had bitten his boot. Although the footage does not conclusively show the dog biting him, the animal fled the scene in immediate fear. Afterwards, Joshua remained distraught, inconsolable over the loss and distress of his beloved companion.
What are you doing? Negative.
Relax and give me your hand.
Why are you doing this? I haven't done anything. Cooperating. Sir, his dog bit me.
Help me record
His dog bit me.
His dog is never protecting
I get you, but when we are out here trying to get something from him and it won't happen, I have to do what I have to do. The dog bit me, okay?
No, it didn't, because you shot him with a taser. Please help me. Why are y'all doing this to me?
What did they ask you for?
They asked me for my ID, and then he grabbed me and tackled me and threw me on the floor. I was in the process of handing it to you.
Guys, y'all, please say this nicely because this guy has been out here for months. His dog was never
Okay, we're doing what we have to do.
They tased my dog. They tased it. Please record this.
It's really sad how the dog
We got one. Detain. Everybody else.
Please record this. Why are y'all doing this to me?
This guy stays out here all the time.
Dude,
I get it, but it doesn't change the fact that the dog bit me. Okay? Can y'all just back up, please?
Did you see the dog bite his foot?
Dude, he tased my dog. Of course. Like, seriously, why are y'all doing this to me?
Okay, but we have to do our job.
Any dog with it.
We have to do our job.
Here's the thing, y'all didn't see the whole story, so just back up.
Dude, you didn't either. You're harassing me.
Y'all need to be nice right now. Really need to be nice. All of us support y'all. Support us. I'm just a head grown.
Well, you did not hear this. You did not see the whole story.
Please help me. Somebody record this. Thank you. I need your information. Somebody please help me. They're trying to kidnap me.
Did he see the dog bite?
I don't know what they do with Sunshine. Where's my dog? Sunshine Ray. I need my dog. She's my medical device. Where's my dog? Where's my dog? Where's my dog? Where's my dog? Where's my dog, man? What are y'all doing with my dog? Where's my dog?
Wait a second.
During a Gastonia City Council meeting, District Attorney Travis Page announced that Officer Sierra Brooks and former Officer Maurice Taylor would not be prosecuted. Following this decision, Brooks faced a 3-day disciplinary suspension without pay in January, according to the Gaston Gazette, while Taylor chose to resign in February. On July 6th, the charges against Roars for panhandling and resisting arrest were dropped, as reported by the Gazette. Instead, he pleaded guilty to a separate charge of driving with a revoked license and was sentenced to a 2-year supervised probation period. Tragically, just a few days later, Sunshine, his beloved dog, was fatally struck by a passing vehicle. If you believe this is the extent of law enforcement mishaps, wait until you hear about Officer Steve Hermis's arrest of a military soldier under dubious circumstances.
Where's my dog? Where's my dog, man? What are y'all doing with my dog? Where's my dog?
Wait a second.
District Attorney Travis Page, during a Gastonia City Council meeting, declared that Officer Sierra Brooks and former Officer Maurice Taylor would not face charges. In January, Brooks underwent a 3-day disciplinary suspension without pay, as reported by the Gaston Gazette, while Taylor resigned in February. On July 6th, Rohrer's panhandling and resisting arrest charges were dismissed, as reported by the Gazette. Subsequently, he pleaded guilty to an unrelated charge of driving with a revoked license and received a 2-year supervised probation sentence. Sunshine, his dog, a few days later, was struck and killed by a car. If you think the idiocy of cops ends here, then you haven't heard of the case where Officer Steve Hermis arrested a military soldier.
There. My hands are behind my back. No, Chris, keep the camera on me. It's on you. Can I ask you what I was doing wrong?
On March 16, 2013, Army Master Sergeant C.J. Grisham, accompanied by his 15-year-old son Chris, who filmed the incident, embarked on a hiking excursion through rural pastures and country roads in Texas. Grisham, carrying an assault rifle for hunting purposes, encountered officers from the Temple Police Department. It's important to note that in Texas, openly carrying a rifle or shotgun is legally allowed as long as it is done in a manner that does not intend to cause alarm. Here's how the events unfolded from there.
Now I want you to record this. Is it recording? Let me see the back.
Behind your back.
Let me see the back side.
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay, now I'm gonna do everything you say. Hey, dude, there. My hands are behind my back. No, Chris, keep the camera on me. It's on you. Can I ask you what I was doing wrong?
Until I can find out you can legally have a gun.
So you can just stop anybody in the world
for rudely displaying, yes.
Oh, how am I rudely displaying a gun? I'm walking. Just unhook it right there. Keep the camera on me. It is.
Following his handcuffing, Supervisor Sergeant Menks arrives at the scene, providing additional support for what is perceived as an unlawful arrest.
How to carry an open firearm like that? Well, let me answer your question. No, it's not. I've done nothing illegal. But yet this guy decides he wants to throw me against the car when I've done nothing.
He has the right to disarm you.
No, he has no right to disarm me if I'm not breaking the law.
Yes, he does. Because
no, he does not.
Yes, sir, he does.
No, he doesn't. If he feels threatened, he may disarm me.
You have
but I have done nothing.
Where's your identification?
Shut up, I'm talking to your
Where's your identification
freaking sergeant right now. It's in my pocket.
Which pocket?
This one right here. Whoa. Hey, am I accused of a crime? I'm not letting. I do not consent to you going through my wallet. I do not consent to you going through my wallet. Is this on camera?
Do you have any more guns?
I do not. Here? Yes, I do. I have a 45 on my side. On my left side. Yes, I have a concealed carry permit. Okay. Sir, you have no right to go through there. I'm telling you right now. Yeah, he didn't ask me for it, did he?
Not with you carrying this, no, sir. I wouldn't have asked you either.
He could have asked me for my concealed carry permit. But even if I had did not have a concealed carry permit, I can walk around with a rifle.
When you alarm people and they call us, then we can come.
Okay, and did you explain to them what the law is, sir?
They don't care what the law is.
But do you care what the law is?
This day and age, they're alarmed when they see somebody with weapons.
Do you have any more weapons on you?
We have the right by law to disarm you until we.
Okay, do you know what that law says? That law says if you feel threatened, you may.
And I felt threatened.
Carrying this.
Well, if you feel threatened, then you're a sorry excuse for a police officer.
Well, then I'm.
Me and my son.
A loaded rifle.
It is loaded, but it's not chambered. Oh, okay, well,
I don't know that.
Hey, I feel threatened because you're carrying a loaded firearm.
We're exempt from the law.
You ain't exempt from the law.
Yes, we are.
Well, you guys think you are the law or something? You have to follow the law. Are you taking my firearm? Okay, now, can we figure out what I did against the law? Why did you stop me?
Because we got a call.
We had a call.
Walking around with a firearm.
Okay, and you came out, and was I doing anything threatening, officer?
When I asked you to stop, you continued to walk, then you did stop, and you turned around. I told you I was going to take the gun. It's what
whoa, no.
You started resisting back.
Oh, bullshit. Hey, when you told me to stop, I stopped. You said, come here, and I stopped. You didn't say it on your loudspeaker. If you said it, I didn't hear you. I turned around and I stopped.
And no, I didn't do it on the loudspeaker.
Exactly. So when I heard you say stop, I stopped, didn't I? Didn't I? Hey, dude, I've got a bad back from Iraq. Will you let me stand up straight? Thank you.
Quit moving.
I'm trying to get my back straight because you're killing me. What a bad excuse you guys are showing for police force.
No, actually, it's a bad excuse as a day. It's simple answer would have been go ahead and take the gun and secure it.
No. You did not. Hey, listen, I'm not going to sit here and let you lie like this, okay? You did not ask me for my gun. You just started taking it from me, okay? That is not how you disarm a citizen. If you would have said, sir, will you hand me the gun? Or, sir, will you drop the magazine? I would have done just that. But you wanted to be a freaking prick.
I will not get in the habit of doing that for anybody with a firearm. That's dangerous.
What, just because a guy's got a firearm, he's dangerous?
Yes, sir.
See, that's the problem with the police force today, isn't it?
No, sir.
Yes, it is. I'm an Iraq and Afghanistan war veteran.
What would you do if you came up with somebody that was armed like that in Iraq?
This isn't Iraq, dude. We're in Temple, Texas.
People shoot just as quick here as they would anywhere in the
Okay,
world.
how many CHL holders shoot like that? 0.18% of CHL holders commit crimes. 0.18%. You never asked to disarm me. You tried to take my weapon from me by force.
I have a right to disarm.
No, you do not.
Yes, I do.
You have a right to disarm me, but you can't take it from me.
Yes,
you can ask me for my weapon. You can ask me for my weapon, but you cannot take it from me.
I'm not going to let you put your hands on it and shoot me.
Who said I was going to shoot you,
I don't know you.
I don't know you either. You could be a rogue cop. You guys aren't all saints. Now, can you tell me what I'm being charged with so I can go about my way?
Right now,
my son and I.
Detained.
Why am I being detained? What crime have I committed? What crime have I committed? Why am I being detained? I'd like to do this in front of the camera, please. No, I'd like to be in front of your camera.
You're under arrest. You're going to jail.
What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for? I did not resist search. Call Mom. When did I resist search? You guys got everything up and said, where's your weapon? I showed you my weapon. Where's your weapon? Screwed up with a law-abiding citizen. Because your officer manhandled me for no reason. You guys have got to come up with some sort of charge. I didn't resist. How long are you keeping me in jail?
I'm sick.
Wait. Where's my son going? Where's my son going? Have Mom call Brett Pritchard, the lawyer. Let him know what's going on, okay? He's going to take you home, all right? So when Mom gets home, don't worry about me, it's fine. When you get home, tell Mom to call Brett Pritchard, okay? Because we're going to file a lawsuit. All right. Don't worry about it. He's going to take you home, okay? These guys aren't bad guys unless they get embarrassed. You can turn it off now.
Grisham was placed under arrest and assured his son that they would pursue legal action against the officers involved. After an extended legal battle, the proceedings concluded on Thursday, March 23, 2017, with the verdict that the controversial arrest and subsequent conviction were deemed lawful. The court's decision highlighted that law enforcement officers are not required to specify the exact statute being violated at the time of arrest. This ruling sparked widespread concerns regarding the fairness and transparency of the judicial system, indicating a preference for safeguarding police authority over protecting individual rights. It remains disheartening to witness our national heroes and dedicated servicemen and women subjected to such treatment despite their lifelong commitment to serving their countries.